Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel your Grab credit card. Removing your Grab credit card depends on whether it is a co-branded Grab credit or just a regular credit card you use for payments within the Grab app. If it is a regular credit card, then first thing to do is to open your Grab application from your app drawer. Make sure to sign into your account like you normally do, and once you're inside the main homepage, tap on your payment button at the bottom of the screen. If you've previously added a credit card, you will be able to open up the credit card section. There you will be able to see an option to remove or delete right next to the credit card, and once you tap on it, you will then be able to cancel or remove your credit card from your account. But if you are using a co-branded Grab credit card, you cannot directly cancel it through the Grab application. But you will need to contact the issuing bank for that specific card, and they will handle the cancellation process. So that is how you will be able to cancel your Grab credit card. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.